Welcome everyone to today's unboxing video. Today we have Moon Spell Box. So this isn't necessarily a subscription because you get to pick and choose when you want a box. So each month they come out with a spell kit and you'll get everything you need to complete a spell. So you can look on their website, moonspellbox.com. I'll link it down below. And if it interests you, you can get it. And it's super affordable, $9.99. Again, I'll link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. So you guys, this had an outer bag and I opened it and it smells so good. I can't wait to see what's in it. So we're gonna look at it together and see what we have this month. And I do have a playlist for all the boxes I open, including this one, so you can check it out and see previous boxes and see if that's something you are interested in, if they still have it available on their website. So you always get this paper here that talks about the spell and everything, so you can keep this and put it in your grimoire or Book of Shadows. So, ooh, I love this. How wonderful. Spell to break a bad habit. This banishing spell is designed to help you cast away bad habits and stay on track. This spell can be performed whenever it is needed, but optimal timing is during a new moon. Oh, okay. So we just had a new moon on May 7th. So we're a few weeks away if you're watching this in real time. I have a, hold on, let me stand up for a second and see when it is in June. So in June, it'll be June 6th. The new moon in Gemini. Just anyone, you have plenty of time to get this if you want by then. But again, it says you can do it whenever needed. I'm going to wait until the new moon. So we're just going to look through this all together and then I'm going to do it then. I've been so disciplined and so good lately. I feel like I've been like too good, but I'm like thinking of what bad habit I would do for this. I'm even taking a break from drinking right now. Not forever. But I've been really good about habits. But I do feel like I watch too much YouTube or like I don't scroll or anything like that, but I feel like I do spend a lot of time doing that. I've been working on not complaining, especially about money. I'm doing that with a group. If anyone's interested, I'm in a group that's all about wealth mindset. I can give you information on that. Just send me a DM or email or whatever. So yeah, I have to think about what I want to work on. But like, there's so many habits that we could break that could be preventing us from living our best life. So I love this. Totally on my wavelength, and what I'm focused on in my life currently is being more positive and releasing what no longer serves me. So the intention is to break free from and banish any bad habits you are ready to leave behind. So the ingredients, oh, now I know it smells so good. So let's read out the list when we look through the box here. We have smoky quartz. I love that crystal. So that must be in here. So that's a great crystal for like protection, release. Okay, let me see. Can I not get this open? Sometimes like when you talk and you're doing something at the same time, it just makes it a little bit harder. Okay, I got it. All right, so here is our smoky quartz. And then we got eucalyptus. So cool. I've never had the leaves of eucalyptus before. I need to smell. Oh, it smells so good. There's another reason it smells good too in here. But that is awesome. I'm so excited to read how we're doing this. Okay. And then we have the charm bag, which is this. And frankincense. I love frankincense. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. We have 3 of them here. And we have a sticker. You're welcome. Okay, let's move this. This is amazing. I am so excited. This is like I said, something this, I think everyone, literally all of us can benefit from. I don't think anyone's perfect. We're always a work in progress. We always have different things we're working on. So this is great. Okay. So what's the ritual? Let's see. Spend as much time as you need to contemplate and meditate on the bad habit you're ready to banish. See, that's why I can't start this yet. Oh, yeah, there's multiple reasons why we're not going to complete this together today. If you're new here, a lot of times I do the spell with you on camera. But anyways, okay. So spend as much time as needed to contemplate and meditate on the bad habit you are ready to banish. Why are you ready now? How is it no longer serving you? How will this help you? Ooh, this is great to break your journal out for. And this is something I'll contemplate tonight. And then the next step, take a cleansing shower, visualizing the bad habit, both physically and energetically, washing away from your body and spirit as the water washes over you and runs down the drain, taking your bad habit along with it. Repeat the incantation to break a bad habit. I love this. I love cleansing showers. I like to just imagine I'm cleansing like energetic blockages as well as like my physical body when I shower. So I love this. And then it says repeat the incantation, which is down here. Bless me with grace in all that is glad, so I may let go of this habit and all that is bad. Grant me courage now and healing power. Strengthen my will with each passing hour. From these urges I am now free. As I will, so mote it be. Love that. So if you're worried you can't remember it, you can like leave this by your shower. But you can try and memorize this beforehand too if you want. All right, and then when you're finished with your cleansing shower, light the incense and use the smoke to cleanse your body in the smoky quartz. Focus your energy on the smoky quartz and charge it with your intentions. Place the smoky quartz and the eucalyptus in the charm bag and repeat the incantation to break the bad habit. Leave the bag out on your windowsill overnight. The following morning, place the charm bag in your pocket. Place your charm bag under your pillow while you sleep at night and keep it with you at all times to remind you of your commitment and strength. And then the last it says repeat is necessary to reinforce your spell and strengthen your willpower. I love this. This might be my favorite one we've gotten. I like how we're using this bag and everything in here. This is awesome. And again, I just love this idea of breaking bad habits. So what do you guys think? What would be a bad habit you are wanting to break? Again, I will link this down below. I'm so excited to get started on this one. I might not wait till the new moon. I might I might do it sooner, but we'll see. Time seems to go by so fast. But actually, I'll be in Chicago June 6th. So I am going to do this soon. I shower in the morning typically, so I'll probably do this tomorrow. But oh, sometimes it's so nice to take an evening shower. Ooh, I don't have plans. It's Saturday night. Oh, I can't stop smelling this. This is awesome. I love this smell. But again, let me know what you guys think. I'll link it down below. Thank you, Moonspellbox, for sending me this. This is my favorite. I'm so excited. And thank you guys all for being here. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. If you guys are interested in spirituality, please check out my second channel, Kitty Rising. It's at Kitty Rising Tarot when you're looking it up on YouTube. I do tarot readings there, so I'm guessing if you're into spell work, you could be into divination as well. So I always link that in the description. I'd love if you checked it out. One thing I'm working on right now is growing that channel. It's a passion of mine, but yeah. And I also give professional readings as well at kittysboxes.com. But I'm truly so grateful again that you guys are here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. I can't wait to hear from you. Have a great day, great night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.